Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder looking to maximize your points for luxurious hotel stays, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of transferring your Chase Sapphire points to Hyatt, one of the best partners for earning free nights at amazing properties worldwide. First off, why bother transferring? Chase Sapphire points are incredibly flexible, but when you move them to Hyatt's World of Hyatt program, you often get one-to-one value or better, meaning your points stretch further for rooms, upgrades, or even experiences like spa treatments. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Chase account online or via the mobile app. It's the gateway to all your rewards. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards, or Ultimate Rewards, section. That's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of transfer partners, and Hyatt should be right there. Look for the hotel icons. Click on Hyatt to select it as your destination. Next, decide how many points you want to transfer. Remember, Chase points transfer in increments, usually 1,000 at a time, and the ratio is typically 1-to-1 with Hyatt, so 1,000 Chase points equals 1,000 Hyatt points. Double-check the current transfer ratio and any ongoing promotions, as these can boost your value even more. Enter the amount, review the details to avoid any surprises, and hit confirm. That's it. You'll get a confirmation email shortly, and your points should appear in your Hyatt account within minutes to a few hours. A couple of quick tips. Always transfer only what you need for a specific booking to keep things flexible, and check Hyatt's award calendar for availability before you transfer, as points aren't always refundable. If you're new to this, start small to test the waters. Transferring points is a game changer for savvy travelers, helping you unlock dream vacations without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on points, miles, and travel hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Safe travels.